I think if you're looking to buy one machine to do everything you need to do, this is your best choice. Hey, my name's Waldo. My YouTube channel is WaldosWorld, and I do a little bit of everything: welding, automotive, trucks, heavy equipment, stuff like that.
How long have you been working with HTP?
It's been almost 2 years now. It's been great. I mean, they have some great equipment. I have the ProPulse 220 MTS, and I also have the Invertig 301. That is the new single-phase 300 amp TIG machine. That's pretty awesome.
What have you used the ProPulse for?
That one I built an aluminum flatbed with, and it was really good for it because it has pulse welding and you don't need a spool gun for it.
You've been using the Revolution 2500. What do you think?
I actually really like it. It's my first time using pulse on steel, and it's such a nice, clean process. It's really enjoyable to weld with it. I think if you're looking to buy one machine to do everything you need to do, this is your best choice.